Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of WooCommerce booking and reservation point of sale plugin. Now using this particular plugin you'll be able to sell your booking and reservation products within your POS terminal as required. So now the POS terminal agents will be able to take booking orders from the POS panel itself and can view the placed orders for the booking and reservation products in a calendar view as well. So if you want to sell the booking and reservation products within your WooCommerce store, then you can make use of the plugin. That's the WooCommerce booking and reservation system by Webcool. But if you want to have multiple physical outlets and want that the booking and reservation products should be sold out at the physical outlets as well, then you can make use of the Webcool's WooCommerce point of sale extension that allows you to have POS terminals for your physical outlets. And to sell the booking and reservation products within the POS terminal, you can make use of the particular plugin that we are talking about today. That's the WooCommerce booking and reservation point of sale plugin. Now, the POS agents will be able to sell out two types of booking products, that are many bookings in one day and one booking for many days. For the many bookings in one day, in this type of booking, the admin can create multiple bookings that can be purchased by the customers within a slot period, like doctor's appointment, bus reservation, movie tickets, etc. In the one booking for many days, in this type of booking product, the customers can make a reservation for a hotel room, an event, or a resort stay, etc. So before I proceed further with today's video tutorial and show you the workflow of this particular plugin at the customer's end, or at the POS terminal agents end, how the POS terminal agents would be able to see the booking products within the POS terminal and how they can place the orders for the booking products on behalf of the customers, kindly do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So the very first thing that I want to show you is how the POS terminal agent would be able to log into the POS terminal there. So for that, he'll have to log into the POS terminal using his username, password, and tapping on the login button thereafter. After login, the POS terminal agent would be able to see the particular section here, and he'll have to enter the what we say as the opening amount for the crash draw. So let's set it as 900 there, and let's tap here on the OK button. Now all of the booking products would be visible under the side panel here under the booking option that you can see. So if I tap here on the booking option, here we'll see the complete list of booking products that are there under the all section. And for the two different categories for the booking products are also visible at the top. As you can see, many bookings in one day would display the doctor's appointment, movies and bike rides, and one booking for many days would display the carnival fest, hotels and the sea facing resort bookable products there. Apart from that, if you see here, we also have a calendar view wherein all of the bookings that have been made would be visible in the calendar view, and you can filter them out using the month, week, day and agenda as well. So I'll show you that in a while from now after we have made some bookings there. So the very first thing that I want to show you now is how a POS terminal agent would be able to place the booking orders on behalf of the customers there. So for example, if I want to go with the doctor's appointment there, I can tap on the doctor's appointment and that would bring up this particular pop-up where we have to enter the booking information. Here we have to select the booking date. For example, let's go with the 15th. Then we have to select the booking slot that we want to select. For example, let's select it as 2:35 p.m. to 2:50 p.m. slot, depending on the current time right now. Then we have to enter the slot quantity here. So for example, let's go with two slot quantities here, and let's tap here on the confirm button. So here on the right hand side within the cart, you can see that we have 2 units of the doctor appointment, and the booking start time is the 15th of the month from 2:35 p.m. to 2:50 p.m. and because the per unit price is $150, we are having 2 units in the cart, so that's why it is showing it as $300 altogether. Now after that, the POS terminal agent can tap here on the pay button and can choose the payment method as cash payment or other payment methods as per the requirement there. So for this demonstration, let's go with the cash payment and let's select 300 here that have been intended by the customer there, and let's confirm the payment and generate the invoice there. After tapping there on the confirm payment and generate invoice, the order would be processed and it would take a few seconds there, and then you can skip or you can print the invoice for the order as well. To print the invoice for the order, you can tap here on the print invoice button, and that would bring up this particular section from where you can save it as a PDF, or you can select a printer here and print out the particular receipt for the particular booking product order that you have placed on the behalf of customers there. So here you can see that the product name is doctor's appointment. The booking from is 15th September 2:35 p.m. to 2:50 p.m. The unit price is $150. The quantity is 2, so the total price is $300 for the same there. Now let's cancel this out. Now if I go to the calendar view, I can see the doctor appointment is on 15th, and here you can see on the top we have total bookings as 2. Current month booking are 2 for the September month. One is the Carnival Fest and one is the doctor's appointment. And today's booking is one booking, as you can see, that's the doctor's appointment on the 15th of the September there. Now if I tap on the doctor's appointment, you can see the product name is there, the customer name is there, the email, the order ID, booking start time, booking end time is visible to the POS terminal agent within the calendar view itself, wherein he can find the details of the same. We can go with the week as well. For 15th at 2:50 p.m. you can see that the doctor appointment is available there. If I go with the day view, I can go with the particular timing there. The green line is the current time to today, that's 1 p.m. right now, and here you can see that at 2:35 p.m. we have a doctor's appointment being booked by the customer as per the requirement there itself. Now let's go back to the booking section, and here let's go to the one booking for many days, and here we'll find the Carnival Fest, hotels, sea facing resorts, or any of the bookings that are for many days. Like we have a fest that is going for a particular number of days, or a hotel booking that you are going to book for a particular number of days that are there. So for example, let's go with the hotel there. So here we can select the booking date. Let's select it as 16th of the month there. Then according to the selection there, we can choose the slot period. So here you can see that the slot period is for one day, 16th September to 17th September, from 12 to 2300 hours there. I can select that up, and then I can choose the number of quantity that I want to purchase for this hotel. So if I want to select one, then one quantity of the selected booking slot would be selected for me there. If I choose 2, then 2 quantities would be selected. Per unit quantity is $4,500. Let's confirm this up. 2 units are there, $4,500 per unit is there. The booking start time is the 16th of September till 17th of September there, starting from 1200 hours to 2300 hours, and the total amount is $9,000 there. Thereafter I can tap here on the pay button. On the checkout, I can select the amount tendered by the customer there. I can confirm the payment and generate the order. After tapping on that, the order would be processed and we'll be able to print the invoice there, or we can skip the same as well. So if I tap here on the print invoice button, the particular invoice would be generated. Here you can see that hotel has been booked there. Booking is from 16th September till 17th September, 1200 hours till 1100 hours there itself. Unit price is $4,500, 2 quantities there, total price is $9,000 there itself, that have been paid by the customer for the booking for the particular booking product there. Now if I go to the calendar view, I can see here the hotel booking is for 16th till 17th. I can view the details of the same. I can go back. I can check for the week. For the week, here you can see that for 16th and 17th we have hotel booking. For 15th we have a doctor's appointment at 2:50 p.m. 2:35 p.m. starting at 2:35 p.m. and ending at 2:50 p.m. and I can tap on that to view the details. Similarly, I can tap here on the hotels as well to view the particular details of the booking that have been made for the customer there by the POS terminal agent itself, using the POS terminal itself. So that's how the booking products appear to the POS terminal agent within the POS terminal itself. And according to the created categories, you can filter out the particular booking products as per the requirement there, and you can what we say as you'll be able, or the POS terminal agents would be now able to take the booking orders from the POS panel for the booking orders, and they can view the placed orders for the booking and reservation products in a calendar view as well. So yes, that was much about the particular video today for the WooCommerce booking and reservation point of sale plugin, and I hope that this particular video helped you out in understanding the workflow there and the POS terminal agent, how the booking products appear under the booking section here on the side panel, and how the POS terminal agent can place the orders for the booking products on behalf of the customers from the physical outlets using the POS terminal there, and how you can view the particular booking products that you have booked within the calendar view there, and you can filter them out using the month, week, day and agenda as well. Under the agenda as well, you can see for Thursday September 15th we have a doctor's appointment starting from this to this time. For 16th till 17th we have a hotel booking here from 1200 hours to 1100 hours there, and so on and so forth. So if you liked this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.